In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a DocuSign certificate of completion, retrieve proof, 2025 guide. By the end, you'll have the official audit trail PDF that shows exactly when an agreement was sent, viewed, and signed, perfect for compliance, record keeping, or sharing with stakeholders. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the DocuSign web app. Sign into your account so you can access your agreements. Once you're in, look for the agreements section in the navigation. Depending on your layout, it may appear in the sidebar or across the top. This is where DocuSign organizes your envelopes, sent, received, completed, and more, so you can quickly locate the document you need. Next, find and select the specific file, also called the envelope, that you want the certificate of completion for. If you're working with a long list, use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by title, sender, or status. Keep in mind that the certificate is most useful for completed envelopes, since it will include all the final timestamps and signer details. If an envelope is still in progress, the history is available, but the certificate may not reflect final completion yet. After opening the envelope details, look for the More menu. It's usually a button or drop-down on the document's detail page. Click it to reveal additional options that aren't shown up front. This menu collects advanced actions, so the main screen stays clean, which is why the certificate option isn't immediately visible. From that menu, choose History. The History view shows the full timeline of the envelope, when it was created, sent, viewed, signed, and completed, as well as any reminders or changes. This is the source for your audit trail. Inside the History panel, you'll see an option to download certificate. Click that and DocuSign will generate a PDF certificate of completion. Save it to a secure location on your computer or cloud drive. It's a good idea to rename the file with a clear convention, like the agreement title and date, so it's easy to find later. The certificate includes envelope details, event timestamps in a consistent time zone, and signer information, making it acceptable for most audits and legal reviews. If you don't see the download certificate option, confirm that you're viewing the correct envelope and that you have permission to access it. Sometimes administrators limit who can download certificates, so you may need to ask your account admin to enable that or share the file with you. That's it. You've retrieved your DocuSign certificate of completion quickly, cleanly, and with